Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss some more questions of June 2016 NET and General Aptitude section. So this one is the set C and this is question number 16 from the set C. So the question is the relationship among the numbers in each corner squares is the same as that in the other corner squares. Find the missing number. So here the four sets of numbers are given in a square at when the square is divided by diagonal. So these four triangles having numbers and you have to just find the missing number which is given in the last corner of the fourth or in the fourth square. So now see the solution. So here the four squares are given like this. Given that the relationship among the numbers in each corner square is the same as that in the other corner square. So we have to find the relationship among the numbers in the square in one corner, and the same relation we have to use for finding the missing number. So here the corner number in the first square, you know that 7 and 9 are one corner number, 15 and 13 are other corner number, 9 and 13 are other corner number, and 7 and 15 are other corner numbers. So you have to find that which corner is related with some relation. Maybe all are not related but one is related, so that is useful for finding the missing number. So here in the first corner 7 and 9, the relation is 9 minus 7 is equals to 2, related in this way. In the same way in the second corner of the second square, here 10 minus 8, so you get 2 in the second square. Similarly in the third square 5 minus 3 you get the 2, same number. So how it is related, that the above number is minused by the lower number from the corner, so you get the difference 2. So here is 4, the missing number must be 6, so 6 minus 4 is equals to 2. Then this relation is following. So x is equals to 6, the missing number must be 6. So how, where it is given, it is given in option number 3. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now the next question is question number 17. Brothers Santa and Cherish walk to school from their house. The former takes 40 minutes while the later 30 minutes. One day Santa started 5 minutes earlier than Cherish. In how many minutes would Cherish overtake Santa? So here Santa and Cherish walk to school from their houses. So the distance must be same for both the Santa and Cherish. The former takes 40 minutes while the later takes 30 minutes. It is given in the question. One day Santa started 5 minutes earlier. How many minutes Cherish overtakes Santa? So let's see. Santa speed. Speed is equals to distance upon time. So Santa take 40 minutes, then speed is equals to d by 40. Now Cherish speed is d by 30. Let's Cherish overtake Santa in t minutes. So the distance traveled by Santa in t plus 5 minute is equals to distance traveled by Cherish in t minutes. So distance, yeah, here d by 40 is the speed into time is equals to distance. So the distance in both the cases is same. D by 40 into 5 plus t is equals to d by 30 into t. This is speed into time relation we are using for equating distance. On simplifying, you get t is equals to 15 minute, which is given in option number 2. So 15 minute, in 15 minute he overtake Santa. So this one is the correct answer for this question. Now the next question is question number 19. Fill in the blank F2 blank D8 C16 and B32 A64. Here are the numbers given like this and with the alphabet. So how it is simplifying? Fill in the blanks are given in a combination of two series. So one series is alphabet and other series is a number. So here first alphabet is F, then blank, then D, then C, then B, then A. So they are in the descending or decreasing order. In the next is the what. So here for F having 2 number, missing number there, D having 8, C having 16, B having 32. So we go to D to A, then 8 it's double 16, it's double 32 and it's double 64. So here the double relation is following with the number. So there must be 2, then next number must be 4. So the number is 4 and the alphabet is here. They are also in descending order. So Before F there is E, before E there is D, similarly before D there is C. So here the alphabet is E. So E4 is given in option number 2. Which one is the correct answer for this question? Now this is question number 20 of set C. So the question is, the set of numbers 5, 6, 7, M, 6, 7, 8 and N has an arithmetic mean of 6 and mode is a most frequently occurring number is 7, then M cross N is equals to what? So now see the solution. Given set of numbers 5, 6, 7, M, 6, 7, 8 and N. So here M and N are missing. These are the two numbers and you have to find the product of these number. This one is our question. Has an arithmetic mean of 6. So what is arithmetic mean? And mode here, these both are the statistical term. So arithmetic mean means simple mean, or you can say average of all the numbers. So which is given that arithmetic mean is 6. So here you have to add all the numbers and dividing it by 8, then you find the mean. So here, and mode is the number occurring most frequent. So here 7 occurring 2 times. So this is most frequent in this. 6 is also 2 times, but here this one is a hint that 7 is mode, means it must be 3 times. So here 2 times already 6 is there. 7 is also 2 times given in the numbers, but it is most frequent, then it must be more than 2, so it is 3 times. Now the 6 mean is equals to 6, or on simplifying the means mean 38 plus M plus N by 8. So on simplifying, M plus N is equals to 9. Now, if mode is equals to 7, the other number must be 2. Then the sum of M plus N is equals to 9. So, we have to find the product of that one, M cross N. So, if one is 7, other is 2, then 7 into 2 is equals to 14. So, this one is the answer for this question. Here, I wrongly talk about the mean. Mean is different thing and average is different thing. Average is the average means it is always about dividing by 2, or so you can say, but average most of the time is how many are the numbers, and you can say divided by the number of observations. Then it is also, you can say, in general language it is mean, it is average, and in mathematical language it is mean. So this is all about the present video. Thank you very much. Please see the description link for the PDF of the solution, and thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe.